Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexyl bromide. You are converting into linear compound with carbonyl at terminal, fluorine at the second position. You have to find number of reagents and steps involved in the conversion. It can be done in many ways. Here I found the simpler with simple reagents. First step will be alcoholic elimination, which is hydrogen bromide elimination with KOH, which leads to the alkene formation. Then you are using N Bromosuccinimide. N Bromosuccinimide promote alpha bromination, meaning it form near to the alkene, so bromine form. Then if you use fluoride, silver fluoride conversion can promote the fluorine. It's an important reagent, conversion of one halide into another halide. Then if you do ozonolysis, you have the desired product. The concept you have to learn here is you have to master the reagents to carry the organic conversion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.